What's up, Bybit fam? Please confirm in the chat if we are live, if you can hear me. Is everything loud and clear? We have Jess helping us out on the comments, so we can't go wrong. Gibson, what's up, what's up? Please confirm, am I loud? Am I clear? Is the music too loud? Is the music alright? And let me know, where in the world are you tuning in from right now? Where in the world are you tuning in from? Let's get in the zone. List, what's up? Harde, what's up? Olasun Kanmi Omatola, what a name. What a beautiful name. AG, welcome. Amana Jr. Gent God is in the building. Abhishek. Oh my word, I love that name. Olasun Kanmi. Let us know what it means. That is awesome. Farouk, it is indeed time. What's up, everybody? Allah Sun Kanmi. Beautiful name. Alright, Bybit to the world. Let's go. So I believe we are currently live on Twitter, Facebook, and YouTube. Let us know where you're tuning in from. Where in the world? Let's see. Wow, so many of the crew hopping in. Zaida from Nigeria. I'm just gonna call you Ola for now. From Nigeria, welcome, Nigeria. Showing up. Alright. You can see the charts are hot. We've got TA to get into. What am I seeing? Andre, welcome. Give me one sec. Alright, Philippines, what's up? Shout out to L. Sheena from Nigeria. So please, let's make it huge. Drop it in your communities. Drop it to your friends. I see we are 65 live viewing across the platforms. Let's take a few minutes to invite our friends. Gent God, I'm in class. Look at that. Absolutely awesome. Crypto Cloud from Ghana. Marcel from Germany. Sage King, what's up? Mr. Christo. Hey, I love to see SA. Mr. Blaze, alright, Mr. Blaze, I hope you're ready to give me the alpha on the 30-second time frame. Let me know what you're scouting. Of course, most of you know we're here to start off with some Degen trading, just to make a bang. And of course, Degen trading is not financial advice. Take it easy. Use a stop loss. Lower your leverage. Oh, thank the Lord. Eskom has given us power once again. Now I will no longer lag. We move in Africa, we deal. Alright, Dylan Brummer knows what I'm talking about. We move in Africa, we deal. In South Africa, we deal with Eskom. We say Aish. Alright, Viv Tora. Love it. So let me know, where in the world are you from? I know the homies are here. Cape Town, what's up? Oh man, absolutely loving it. Manuel, Africa. Sage King, Nigeria. SA gang, a new part of the SA team. Thank you, Andy, for all of the help. You're killing it. Alright, ready to go. I'm also feeling ready. I'm itching. You can see I'm itching. Sending love to the community. Alright, what's up? So right now, I'll let you all know. I've decided I'll edit my copy trading strategy a little bit. At first I said you have to have $100. I know that's a little bit tough for some people. The $50 trading bonuses are taking a little bit of time for approval. They are incoming. But what I have done is I have lowered my copy trading minimum to $50. So if you would like to follow, you can go follow for $50. And I'll say that the first person who follows me now, since changing it down to $50, I will give you one of the bonuses for this stream, and that will be a juicy $30 derivatives bonus. Alright. So I do believe the link will be dropped. Hey, Gibson, oh my word. I know Gibson was waiting. Gibson was waiting with his $50. Absolutely awesome. Where is Leonard? Oh, I'm missing Leonard. I'm going to do my best with the FA. I'm going to do my best with the news, but we're all missing Leonard at the moment. He is elsewhere occupied. Naija to the world. Lovely. India, what's up? BLZ. Awesome. So get your alts ready. We're going to look at Bitcoin first, and then we're going to look at alts. Ha, all the boys in the building, all the girls in the building. Let's go. Valentine wants to come to SA. Bangladesh. Ranger Keith here from Philippines. Alright. There we see our links. Some links being dropped. So, lest I forget, very important, come to the announcement that has just been dropped. And make sure you read here what's happening, because it's going to be in my Kahoot. There are 2 questions in the Kahoot directly from this page right here. And there was something, little clue there, but don't sleep. And please do register here. This is going to help me out so much, and us, for Art of Trading, for the longevity of our campaign. If you register here, all of your trades will be tracked, and they will count towards our campaign. And of course, you must be registered here in order to be eligible for our bonuses, which, as we can see, are quite juicy. Those who bring me alpha will get $30 each for 5 of them. Then we have 5 Kahoot winners with $40 each. That's 4 times what you usually earn from a win in hashtag WMO or any other live stream we do. And there we go. There's the code. The code is Degens. We're going Degen today. Alright, so let's see. Yep, I knew it. There it is. So I'm going to make a note of that. Congratulations, Gibson. And I'll open it up to one more. So if one more person follows me, now that I've brought it down to $50, and we can see the stats are looking good. This is exactly how I dreamed that my cumulative ROI would look, and I'm not going to stop being patient. I'm not going to stop tiptoeing in, because this is how it should look. And this is how any AI proper trading back-tested algorithm will look. Yes, of course, you have fees, you have slight losses, but in essence, you have big wins and you even out, and your cumulative ROI over a long period of time is constantly going up. And of course, now we can see our win rate looking good, 66%. We've got a win of 12 trades, a lose of 6 trades. Max drawdown of under 1%. And yes, it's going slowly, but thank you to those who are being loyal, because the profits are coming in. And you know, when you're compounding, it's like starting a new business. Like I've said before, you don't go in. You don't go all in. That's how you get wrecked. Watch The Office if you need some serious advice on how to run a company. And you'll understand more of my gifts if you watch The Office. Alright, but I'll refresh this in 2 minutes. I'll have a look at the followers. Anybody else who decides to follow me now that it's down to $50. Ah, Gibson, what a man. Then I will extend a $30 trading bonus. So let's see who's hot on their toes. Oh! Oh! No! Look at that! Okay. So people are hot on their toes. Let's go. Let me see here. Zyder! Okay, well done. Oh my word. And I know you're going to bring me alpha as well. So we have Zyder. Who is this? Who is this? GAN, GAN, GAN. Who is this? And I see Gibson. Alright, so thank you. Let me know who GAN is. I'll give you a gift personally, even if it's not a bonus from this stream. Thank you, everybody. And I got my first badge, and I'm so proud of it. Under 5x. Under 5x. We're moving slowly. Low leverage. Okay, let's not waste any time. Let's get into it. Current trades. BTC looking at a nice almost 100% on the long. You can see I've got my stop and my take profit right there. I'm ready to get out of this trade. I have realized 95% of the margin already. with a $30 in profit and only 3 trades open. I'm just tiptoeing in at the moment. Beam. A lot of you know I've been eyeing Beam for a long-term spot play, for a DCA play, for buys, for buy the dip, etc. And then we also go and outperform on derivatives, of course, and there's the short. So I'm long on Beam in the long term. I like it. I like Beam. But there I am, short. Boom. And even if it's $20, this is what I talk about when I talk about compounding. You know, we only use 1% of our account. Come on, camera. Come on, camera. Let's go. We only use 1% of our account. So our stop loss is always at 1% of our account. But if our account is slowly growing, that 1% is slowly growing. So even $20, if you stack it, you stack it. And I love the word stacking it. And some people are just burning it, and some are stacking it. If you're going to always look for high P&L, you're going to struggle. And that's actually something I learned from my Mama Bear. So thank you to Mama Bear if you're on the stream. You know, very early on in my trading, I was getting a little bit wrecked because I wouldn't even take profit before 100%. And thank you to Trader Giants. You taught me a lot. You have to learn to take profits now. Any decent 10% even profit, you'll see me realizing profit so that I'm in a position of power. All right, let's see. We have our juiciest trade actually at the moment has been this UNFI. Please confirm in the comments if everything is loud and clear. Looking indeed. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Looking good indeed. Yeah, we're going to get into the Degen now. Remember, NFA. Abhishek, yeah, profits are profits on profits. No one ever went poor taking profits. You go poor by taking losses. Let's be honest. Andy, 100%, 100x Degen. So yeah, I do sometimes, of course, get into the Degen mode. And just be aware that this 100x on Bitcoin, it was a $40 trade, which is 1%. Under 1% of my account. And the stop loss, of course, was not even at within $40. The stop loss was $20. And we've realized a $30 off. Low risk. Small position sizing if you want to be a Degen and trade high leverage. Alright. You don't need high leverage. Thank you very much. So this is where I play. Most of you know this is where I have fun. This is where I play. This is my Degen account. If I switch here to my copy trading account, I trade on a 2x. If it's an altcoin, I trade on a 2x. If it's Bitcoin, I'll trade 5x. Literally, you do not need high leverage. Most of the time, if you haven't been trading for spot for 2 to 5 years, leverage is only going to eat into your general profits. Alright, I love it, I love it, I love it. So let's not waste too much time. Warren Buffett also preaches the power of accumulation. Exactly, so you'll see if we go into my bots. I don't want to waste too much time. Let me know if you want to see my bots. But they are all very much about accumulating what's gonna be hot. And it's this easy. We open up the Altcoin Season Index. This is a German website. And you'll see here, the German analytics are just so awesome. So just like I thought, we're fighting. Is it altcoin time? Is it Bitcoin time? We're somewhere in the middle of Bitcoin and altcoin dominance. So we have to keep our eyes on this. If we start heading towards alts, we'll see alts pumping, and that's where we should be trading. If we start seeing this heading towards Bitcoin, Bitcoin is going to be pumping or dumping, but moving. And remember, we need to see Bitcoin dominance coming down while the Bitcoin price is going up in order for us to pump up into the altcoin season. And if we do enter into this kind of a push towards altcoin dominance, the altcoins are just going to explode. And this is where we look. We look to the top 50 performers over the last 90 days. I spend a lot of time on this page. And you'll see that some of my choices, Solana, 204% up in the last 90 days. I started my DCA about 115 days ago. So my DCA is now, most of you know, very, very juicy. Link is one of my DCAs. INJ is a DCA. Avalanche is a DCA. And here we still have some pumpers waiting. Aave. All of these. EGLD, GRT. If something can enter into the top 50 over the last 90 days, and especially outperform Bitcoin, We see ADA just sitting at a casual 50% up over the last 90 days. And then these are the juice. These are the juice down here. Top performers out of thousands of altcoins over the last 90 days. Slightly down. XLM, Winner, SHIB, all of these. BCH, LTC. A lot of you know I'm eyeing LTC, so we'll look at it. ARB, HBAR, all of these. MNT, XMR, XRP. Even low leverage position swing longs on these coins right now can be so juicy if we kick into alt season. And there's BTC 45% up over the last 90 days. Alright, let's not get too distracted. Let's hit up a little bit of a Degen trade. So most of you know what I do when I trade Degen. There we go, keeping real. Alright, I love looking into the chat. Awesome, awesome. Yeah, so if you're going to use 100x, paper trade, whatever's paper for you, like what you're going to spend as paper. Very nice strategy. Yeah, so take it slow, take it slow. I'll show you my bots and they are beautiful, but let's get into some Degen trading. So right now in the chat, let me know. I want to look literally. So let's pull up BTC. Most of you know BTC is in this ascending channel. On the 4-hour, 1-hour time frame, we're zooming in. We can see bearish divergences possibly appearing. If we go to the 1-hour market cipher B, I know this is advanced, and I'm going to break it down in a little bit. First, I want to open some Degens, but look at this. Momentum coming down. Yeah? Not too difficult. Price going from there to there, up. Momentum coming down, price going up. 1-hour bearish divergence, market cipher B. We're also at the top of this ascending channel. So just to keep in mind before we open any Degen trades, and what's very nice to see is what we have seen. Bitcoin claiming new zones, flipping resistance time and time again, and we can see exactly where all the key levels are. We're going to go into them. 36.9. The 38, of course, let's throw in the 38 level. Most of us know the 38 is not just because it's a round level, but historically, it's just a hugely significant level. We can see the wick there, and we can also see an even spacing of a kind of grid here. Trading view being a bit glitchy, but here we go. Let me clean this up. Look how even the spacing is of these ranges. And Bitcoin just climbing higher. 4%, 4.25%. Okay, 3.5%. So getting slightly smaller each time. But Bitcoin claiming ranges. And we can clearly see the level we need to hold here. Otherwise, possibly a push back down to this 36.9. We have 35.6. We have 34.1. And of course, larger market structure pointing us down to 30k. It's hard not to see the move to 30k. As most of us know, Bitcoin doesn't always go up forever. So in general, there's likely a pullback. So let's just keep in mind where we are. Of course, stop losses in place on any trades that we make because Bitcoin could go to the moon. But in general, we might be a little bit short bias right now. Even just to the bottom of this ascending triangle. And we'll... parallel channel. Ascending parallel channel. Alright, but let's go. So what I do... looking to hit this take profit. On BTC. You can see my stop is now in profit. Can even be a little bit cheeky. Bring my take profit a little bit down. And start to eye in on this little bit. This final bit of P&L on the trade. But what most of you know I do is I come to all of the pairs. All of the USDT perpetual pairs. And I literally screen for the 24-hour percent pumpers and dumpers. And here we see IOTA. And I don't always go for the top one. I'll go for the ones that I know. You don't want to be trading a coin that you know nothing about. Because you never know. It might just be a pump and dump scheme to wreck you. So IOTA I know a little bit about. Let me know if you know. USTC, I've seen that some profits have been made. Here we're at a pump, 23%. Auction, I know about. So let's check it out. Auction at a 20% on the last 24 hours. 15-minute RSI, not looking amazing for a short or a long, so we're gonna skip it. Let's see, Lunsi 18% up over 24 hours. 15-minute RSI also looking more long than anything else. Remember, we are short bias. STX 17% up. Nothing on the RSI is giving us any entry there. I'm going really quick now. Forgive me for the newbies. I'm just trying to find an entry. And you know what? I'm going to turn to my trusty HODL Fire. So here we can see HODL Fire on BTC. Let's first see what it's saying. There we go. It's giving us a short and a pivot with a 92% win rate. So I recently re-added the HODL Fire indicator, and thank you to BTC TAF and to Wendy, an official Bybit global affiliate and the creator of this awesome indicator, currently exclusively for Bybit users. Look at this, 92% win rate over 40 trades, which means if you had have taken every single signal on this indicator over the last 40 trades, you would have a 92% win rate. How lovely is that? Of course, we only use it for confluence. So right now, let's see what it's saying on this 1 hour time frame. A little bit of short there, long there. It's catching everything. I'm going to zoom into the 15-minute and we can see it's given a short. So Degen mode is telling us a bit of a short. And Blaze, make sure you dial in this indicator again. So disconnect it. It has been redialed in for higher time frame scalping. So make sure, Blaze, that you disconnect it and add it again. That's giving us a short. It hasn't given us the long yet. 82% win rate on the 3-minute time frame. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to look at the indicator bot. What this bot does is it constantly screens every single coin on Bybit. And let's see. So at 4:18, 4 minutes ago, it has given me a strong buy on FET. Let's open up the chart. Strong buy on the 15-minute time frame on FET. 4 minutes ago. So hey, we'll just put HODL Fire to the test here, right? Let's just put HODL Fire to the test here on the 15-minute, because it's not giving me my entry. But what I'm going to do is put this indicator to the test. So let's see, hedge mode. Love it. We're on a cross. How degen should we be? Let's be max degen. FET, I don't know much about it, but let's quickly scout out the volatility over the last hour. We can quickly see general movement volatility of about 24%. Beautiful. In a day. And the bot's telling us long on the 15-minute. And we're back down to the entry there on the 15-minute. So let's put HODL Fire to the test. Let me double check this. Strong buy 15 on FET USDT. Let's go cross 25x. Proper degens. Let's go. Order by cost. Always check what you're ordering by. I love to order by cost, especially if it's a meme coin or something like that. Also because it includes your fees. So when you order by cost, you know full round. Oh, I want to get in here. How much you're going to be spending. So $50. Always enter with a take profit. Remember, we're going to go long. So easy. We just enter with a 1-to-3 risk to reward ratio to start. And we're going to edit it instantly. But remember, you always just want to enter with a stop loss. Alright, $50, 25x cross. Let's go. Open the long. Bam, bam. There it is. Entire order filled. World class liquidity. Thank you, Bybit. Our $50 is now in the market. And we can see HODL Fire being put to the test. Stop loss. I'm just going to leave it there. I mean, our stop loss could be anything here. This is a degen scalp trade. But let's give it a little bit of room at first. Let's give it a little bit of room. And let's test out. Let's test out this HODL Fire here. And there it is. Now that we're in the degen, let's go to the 3-minute. We can see that we are moving upwards from our entry. Let's go. Let's refresh the P&L. And here we should see our degen entry. There it is. Alright, so let's let it play out. At least now we've got a degen trade going. Let me see if I missed. And now we can even bring it up here. This is interesting. So let's bring it up here on TradingView. And we'll now watch the HODL Fire. Hasn't given the long on the 3 minute. We took it on the 15. There it is. So it's given us the strong buy because there's a pivot and there's a long. Then now there's just a retest of that level. So it's given us a strong buy, which is even better than the pivot or the short. So we're in, and this is a nice trade because look at this risk. This is nice. Let's see what happens here. FET. Alright, we're in a 4% profit. We're in a little sneaky $2 there. Let's see how it goes. Let me see if I missed any Degen trading in the chat. I love to open up 2 Degen trades. Let me see who's in the building, who's having a Degen day. We are 75 live across all of the platforms. I love to see it. Let's see if we can push that 100. Drop it into your communities. Oh, 78, pushing for 80. I see 32 likes across Facebook. I think the likes are on Facebook. So thank you, the 30 of you that are watching on Facebook. Much appreciated. And look at our Degen trade going. Well, let's look then at HODL Fire. You know, if we're testing it, let's test it. I see a strong sell on BAT. It's already. We'll wait for the next. We'll wait for the next. In the next few minutes, HODL Fire is going to give us another one. But it did give us strong sell on BAT, strong sell on COTI, strong sell on IOST, strong sell on ICX, and it just shows you if you're trading on this HODL Fire, you're never bored. You are never bored. You're just getting entry, and those are just the strong. Let me tell you what came out in this message in the last few minutes. 15-minute bottom pivot on SEI, 15-minute bottom pivot on INJ, 15-minute bottom pivot on 100%, 100 Pepe, 15-minute bottom pivot on Sushi, and about 25 others. So don't sleep on this bot. It's very cheap now. It's just for the devs to cover the cost, and it's just for us. So don't sleep on it. Pop me a DM if you need a link. And I see some are buying it for months in advance because you're scared that the price is going to go up, and I feel exactly the same. Alright, so let me know in the chat, is everything clear? Are we loud and clear? Can you hear me? And you know what, usually if I was trading on my, perhaps on my copy trading, I would think about putting stop to profit here for the sake of a win, because we're in a little bit of a win here on this entry. But you know what, let's be DJs, let's just leave it. And let's move a little bit forwards. So let me see here, if I refresh the copy trading, what's happening? Very nice. So those who have followed me now, I think there was 3 of you. I know Gibson is one of them. Please do pop me a DM on on Telegram. Yes. So you know, I always treat my followers, and this is the beginning of something great. We can see the followers who have been with me for the longest. Wow, 51 days, and it might seem like nothing, but we're compounding. And Jess, look at that. Thank you so much. Alright, so I hope everybody's had a look here. Remember, Kahoot is coming up. What I'm going to do right now is I'm going to drop the Kahoot link. So those of you who want to make sure you're in. Kahoot link loading. Kahoot link loading. Let's go. Loving the turnout today. Thank you everybody for being here. Alright, so everybody join in the Kahoot. Gods. I think it's gods. Right, Swas? Gods? Thank you so much. Gods. It's from Swas. Much appreciated. So I need some alpha from the crew. Let's start with BTC. Following. Awesome. ETH is sleeping. So if ETH is sleeping, it's not sleeping for long. Alright, there we go. You can follow me there and let me know. DM me if you do follow, so I can send you a copy trading bonus. Check SEI. SEI is hot. Noted. SEI from Joe. And please make sure everybody just remember that make sure to register for the campaign at the correct link. Normal bonus can't be used for copy trading, but we are getting some copy trading bonuses coming in. Always stop loss in check. What? There we go. How to add it to my 50 I used already to make it 100 in total. So you should be able to do that. You should be able to just go to your 50 and add the $50 copy trading bonus. You should be able to just increase your margin using bonus. Let me know if it works, and I'm so glad to hear. So not just Zyder, the other 9 of you, let me know if you have received your copy trading bonus. Awesome stuff. This means that if you then follow with $50, half of your risk is mitigated. And let me tell you, it's going to take me a lot of trades to wreck half of your capital. Big pump coming, love it. Solar storm. NASA predicts radio. November 30th, that's a sign for a Degen short. It is also full moon. Remember, what happens on full moon? What do people do on full moon? Do they take profits or do they buy? Very nice. Thank you, Eric Fisher. Any other alpha? I love it. Check FIL from Dylan. So what I need now are some holistic trades. If we look at my copy trading, I'm in low leverage warrior. I want some holistic position trades that we can hold for around a day, a couple hours to a day. Let me know and we're going to go through them. Oh, what just happened? Our BTC, stop going off, perfect. Alright, which means our FET long struggling a little bit, BTC coming down. But let's hold to it. Let's hold to it for now. Short on the 15 minute. Jump back to BTC. There we go. BTC is starting to come down. But we also see here, there's one line. There's one line. I'll jump to my other chart. Here it is. Let's even zoom out a little bit. And I think maybe it's time. It's time for BTC. So let me know if you have any alpha here. Where's my one line? Here's my one line. See how I have one line? That's all we need to know right now, and it looks like BTC currently being rejected from that level. Alright, so before we run through time, I just love these streams so much. I want to talk about everything before we run through time. Let's zoom out a little bit. I think most of us know market structure. Most of us know market structure on the larger time frames. So let me not waste too much time here. Boom, 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 boom. Higher highs and higher lows. Higher high, we could see a higher low anywhere in the zone around 30,000. We can see the sniper rifle crosshair. And you know what? This 38k is actually the sniper rifle crosshair for the short. And of course we need a tight stop in case we pump up to 47k, which is where you can see the next zone. There's a big pump that is possible. And some of us, I see in the chat, saying big pump coming. And this is why you just trade it. Just like a Degen should. Even if you want to put in high leverage, make sure you've got a stop. Make sure your position size is tiny. And you can even hedge it. Short from here. Long from here. Right? Never hop on a moving train. This was the long. At the break, we should see a flip. We should see a retest of resistance turning into support. So this is larger daily market structure. Now we're zooming in. And we can actually just see, even here on the daily, just overextension. Overextension of the market. And this can keep happening, especially if we see ETFs actually coming through. Who knows what FOMO will cause. But if we look at the Fear and Greed Index, to be honest, it's not an extreme greed yet. And it's extreme greed when I short, which is why I haven't shorted yet. But I'm just so tempted. I'm so tempted. We're at 38k right now. This is the level. Look at the bearish divergence on the daily. And you know what? This is actually the level I'm looking for a short. So let's go right now to the 12 minute. And let's see. Most of you know the 12 minute is my indicator to go. To do or die. And look at this. We are seeing bearish momentum. Momentum waves getting increasingly smaller. Right? If we take price. If we extrapolate price. Look at this. Boom. Boom. We saw momentum coming devastatingly down. We saw price actually hitting a higher number. And this bearish divergence looking like it's already playing out. So I'm kind of tempted right now to actually enter into a bit of a short here. But if anything, remember, even on this time frame, you make sure you enter here. You make sure you enter at the level. You snipe it. So if anything now, we'd just wait for this. And we'd snipe this resistance. If you don't get it, you don't get it. And market structure threatening to break. So let me not confuse the newbies. I know I tend to be quite advanced on these streams. Remember to enter into our beginners series every Friday. If you need beginner help and if this is all going completely over your head. But let's just have a look here. I'm going to take you step by step through some TA and we're going to hit our Kahoot. How's the Kahoot going? Let's see. Already 22 in. I know some of us are probably saving our battery. I see Zion, Crypto Mana, Calvin, Sizu. Awesome. Ranger, Keith, Pass Haas. What's up? Alex trades by real coming for the gold. I know it's coming for the gold. Mr. Declan, Mr. DC. Alright, Crypto Cloud. Zyda's coming for that podium. 5 winners are going to walk away with $50 in trading bonuses. And we can see these trading bonuses. This is when you can be Degen. Trading bonus is when you can be Degen. Alright, FET. Doing us dirty in a good way. Unrealized P&L of $5. And you know what? Profits are profits. We could just close the trade. Or we could bring our stop into profit. But what I'm seeing here is a possible move. If Bitcoin decides to go a little bit up now, this is going to actually pump. So let's just be degens about it. We can even bring our stop, usually with a stop loss. Most of us know. We bring our stop below the previous swing low on the time frame that we're trading. We're being degens on the 3 minute. We could just bring our stop below the previous swing low. And we can see here this is a nice level. Swing low, swing low, swing low, swing low. Yeah, last time we visited this level we did get boom. A little bit of pump. So let's just always check what you're risking. We're risking a meager $4.6. Not bad, not bad, not bad. Alright. Getting very distracted today. Let's look at Bitcoin. And I'm actually on Bitcoin first going to zoom in on the 1 hour time frame. And I'm going to just use a clean chart today. Most of you know one of my favorite tools. And you can actually see here. I don't know how big this is. Let me try and make it as big as possible. Some of you will be able to see this tiny thing here. Very cool. TradingView allows you to have a couple of little favorite indicators just at arm's reach right there. And you can see one of my favorites, the fixed range volume profile, always at arm's reach. So FRVP, fixed range volume profile. And all you do is you look at the range. You can see here, I've already identified where I think the range is. From about here, 34, up to this 36.8. Because we can see, right, the flip, the flippening, and the retest. And it's beautiful. And we took that long. And now that long is closed. It was only a $20 profit. Who's complaining on a $20 profit? Alright, alright. So, fixed range, volume profile. We click it. And it's such a nice tool for newbies because you can literally just be so haphazard. You can click anywhere here, boom. You can click anywhere here, boom. And look how nice this tool is. Beautiful. POC sitting right here. So the magnet, the point of control, very likely to pull us back down. So there's me wanting to hop into that BTC short. And on the 12 minute, we need to see the bearish divergence. And I mean, we are seeing it. It's not printing it. It's not printing it. So I would wait for a little sell or an actual printed bearish divergence, and then we're going to smash the short. Alright, I don't know. Hop back, not confuse. So here's our fixed range volume profile. And I've said it time and time again. I'll say it one more time. Value, area, low of the range. That's where we look for our longs. The value, area, high of the range. This is where we look for our shorts. In the current fair value trading range for BTC, we are overbought. A lot of traders going to be entering in, and maybe this is actually just these trades being stopped out. Stop. Hunted. Is there a pullback? Let me know in the comments. I see I'm missing a lot of comments. Wow. Awesome. Awesome. I'm going to go through the comments now. Let me know. Is anybody eyeing a pullback here? And we can see at least we need to just be aware, is the top of the range going to hold? And it's very easy to see. This needs to hold. This needs to hold for us to remain bullish. Otherwise, we're back in the range. We're headed towards the point of control to send us in either direction. And yeah, don't hop in on moving train. This was the long. Even if you missed the long back here. But I hope everyone is using the fixed range volume profile. And we can see here on the 1 hour, it's kind of bullish. It's kind of juicy because we do see a lot of volume right here below us. One line and a bunch of volume. So we can easily see here, very likely, because of this volume and this line, we might see this kind of price movement. And that's Bitcoin playing with our emotions right there. Shorters getting wrecked. And this has just been happening time and time and time again. And the whales will keep doing it until they're just ready. Just ready enough. And for me, that's when it hits extreme greed. So for now, I'm just sitting. I'm very tempted here. Very tempted here. This 38 is a juicy entry, but I'm going to wait for the 12-minute bearish divergence to print. And even if we're a little bit eager on the beavers, we will go here. Eager beaver. Vu Manchu on the 5-minute. No bearish divergence. 3-minute. Load for me, 3-minute. Let's go. Nope. We're going to exercise some patience. Okay, back to the 1 hour. So we can see fixed range volume profile, 33,500. If you want a long, that's the start of the long. But in essence, we're looking for the 30k level. Actually, for any good, decent long, we're looking for the scene of the crime, the breakout. So a play here, and probably what I'm going to do is, if Bitcoin decides to come down to the value area low of the range, value area low of the range, I'm going to start my position. I'm going to nibble in. If it's $1, if it's $5, if it's $10, I'll start my trade here. If we hit this, I will add to it. And then here you see my juicy square. So if we actually hit this area, 30k, that's when I'll start creating a proper position trade, not a paper trade anymore. Here I'll add. I'll happily go into loss. I'll happily go into loss. This will be an actual position because we see bull market support line. Bull market trend line support right there. Likely to play with us for a little bit and then shoot us up. This is my play that I'm looking for. Play with us, play with us, play with us, shoot us up. And if we just zoom out 4 hour, this looks kind of logical, right? Excuse me jumping around. Give me 1 second to clean this. Let's jump to the 4 hour. Always zoom out and just look what looks logical. We see what BTC does. Especially if it's just climbing, climbing, climbing. Eventually it needs to come down just to rest. Just to take a break. Trust me, you cannot gym every day forever. You'll injure yourself. Bitcoin cannot climb every day forever. Eventually, It's going to pull a muscle and it's going to take a break. Sure, and we can just see where the juicy levels are. And this just looks so logical if we zoom out. Look what Bitcoin has done. Sideways, up, sideways, down. Up, sideways, down. Up, sideways, down. Sideways, up, sideways, down. Sideways, up. Juicy plays, juicy plays. And you know what I'll do just for fun? Even though it's not the perfect entry. And look at it coming down. This, of course, is the entry here at the resistance. Okay, no, so I'm going to wait here in case we get a pull up, but then I will enter the short there. I was going to do it now, but we'll be a little bit more patient. Okay, so what I want to show you, okay, I think I've shown you 4-hour market cipher B. We actually have a bearish divergence. Right there, which did play out. So we can see how being patient for the market cipher B to print the divergence is just a nice, safe way to trade. MCB, market cipher B. It may look complicated, but actually it's not. It's like playing Super Mario. Super Mario is bouncing. He's bouncing. He doesn't bounce high enough. He prints a bearish divergence. He dumps. Super Mario is bouncing. He's bouncing. Oh, and look at this. This could just print a triple bearish divergence. And yeah, I say Super Mario because it's almost like playing a video game. We can see here, if we extrapolate this to price, directly from when market cipher B printed a strong sell and a bearish divergence, we just got the trade. It was the trade. So especially if you're going to trade high leverage, make sure you trade on divergences. And let's see if anyone's hot. I know this has been a question in my Kahoots a lot. First person to give me the correct answer, we'll see if we can give you a bonus. And please smash the likes. Let's go. Please do smash the likes. Let's see who's here and how is it going. Alright, 55 likes. Very, very nice to see. Let's see. Smash the likes. Right now in the chat, let me know, what is a divergence? What is the definition? Ooh, dot analysis. I can't wait to look at dot. Welcome, welcome. So if you're new to the stream, I see we've got a full house. We're pushing on 100 across all the platforms. Well done, everybody. Make sure that you've registered at the link. Show us the fire and then go trade, and all of your volume counts. Counts for us. Thank you very much. Alright, so what is the definition of a divergence? Don't just Google it. Use your own words. What is the definition of a divergence? Oh, the Pyth short. Look at that. Blaze is such a Degen. He's so into the 30-second time frame. Missed it already. Bybit trading view is awesome. That's what's up. It is. It's the best. You can just straight up trade here on Bybit trading view. DJ and trade, playing with our emotions. Remember, we are Buddha statues. When a trade plays with your emotions, you do nothing. You sit there and you look at your stop loss. You don't change it. You don't move it. If you feel fear and greed, go do something else. Alright, let me have a sip. And if you really want to test your emotions, enter a trade. Come to the 1 second time frame thanks to Bybit, free of charge. Then you'll see emotions. I just love this. When I'm in a trade, I just sit there on the 1 second time frame and I just watch it. And of course, if it's a beautiful, if it's a nice trade. And yeah, if you click auto, you can actually just put it up on a separate screen. And as you can see, it will just run like clockwork. Free of charge. TradingView actually charges you for this. Alright, BTC dumping. BTC dump. Yeah, I should have entered that Degen. Should have started that short. Because this short on BTC could be huge. But you know what? I'm not going to just jump into a short on BTC right now without divergences. Because the shorters have been getting consistently wrecked. So I'm going to wait for this level again. If it comes to 38.4, I will short. So I'm going to put a horizontal line right there. I'm going to take, yeah, 38.4. I'm going to put an alert on that line. And I'm just going to say, possible short, look for divs. And we need the bearish divergences on the 12 minute. Then we will enter that trade. Go to our alerts. We see if it's there. Very nice. And that's how we trade. We plan the trade. We trade the plan. We don't do it the other way around. Great analysis. Thank you very much. Keeping it simple today. MNT. Yes, I'd love to do analysis on MNT. Can we look at Mina? Mina's also hot on the charts. Alright, so also please make sure you fill out the form for your attendance. If I choose you for a bonus for bringing alpha, you will have had to fill out the form. I will have to pick your name from the form. Alright, so moving through our BTC analysis. Very nice. Pull back, pull back. Exactly. Loving the crew in the building. What level will be the next stop for BTC? Nice question. So here we go. It's literally this level. If we break this 38.3, like who knows? Who knows? Look what Bitcoin is doing. It's actually entering into a kind of parabolic price discovery. So if we pull out a little curve, we haven't done a curve in a while. Where's my curve? Where's my curve? Give me 1 second. Let me find this. It's always hiding. There we go. Curve. So you just go like this. I can already see where the curve is. But you can take it from about there. We can pull it up and we can just see this is a parabolic curve. And perhaps coming to a bit of an end. And yeah, go play with the curve. And we can actually even see here a juicy curve on the daily here. I love these curves. I haven't used them in a while. But there we go. But here we go. BTC is showing some fire. And we'll keep our level there for the entry. And let me get through my BTC analysis. Alright. Oh, one thing I want to just show you. These 4-hour market cipher B divergences. I showed you this one. Well, let's just go a little bit back in time here. This is the 4-hour time frame. Look at this one. You see dump. Look at this one. Market cipher B, bearish divergence. Measure it out. 5% dump. Let's check this one. That one obviously just boom, pumped against it. Always keep in mind stop loss in place. Look at this one. See here, it didn't print a bearish divergence. I know this is quite small for a lot of you. I'm going to quickly show you. Here was a bearish divergence that got printed on the 4-hour time frame. There hasn't been one printed here for quite a while. And if you took that entry, it was a juicy 17% dump. So just keep in mind. Yeah, pull back a little bit likely. Otherwise, the whales are just going to keep pumping against us. And you know what? We're DCA. We're DCA long, so take it chilled on your Degen shorts. Don't underestimate the market. BTC can just keep pumping, especially because of our news. And wow, we're so over time. We got to go into our news. I've still got more TA here. But just be aware. 38,400 critical level that we need to hold. Otherwise, 36,950 critical support. And there we go. I hope everybody is following. This is it. This is it. Pull out your fixed range volume profile. Book profits. Love it. Always book profits. Okay, so... oh, path short already missing it. Alright, let's go. Let's go look in the news. Remember, do not sleep on your fundamental analysis. Am I right or am I wrong? Let's quickly look at our Degen trade. 1 second time frame leaving us behind, but no stress. We are in a little bit of profit now. Pumping. Hodl fire doing us dirty in a good way. Thank you, Wendy. Thank you, BTC TAF. And you know what? I'm going to be a Degen now. I'm going to bring my stop up. No one ever went poor taking profit. Stop into profit. No more risk on the table. And let's go. Thank you very much. Even the Degen small positions making us some bucks. Sorry about that. If I don't drink, my voice will disappear. Alright, divergence is when the price of an asset and a technical indicator move in opposite directions. Thank you very much, Jacob. I hope you filled out the form. Very nice. Jacob David, I hope you filled out the form. Well done, everybody. XRP. Very nice. Everybody getting it. Beautiful, beautiful. So I hope you're all ready for Kahoot because, yeah, I've got some tricks up my sleeve. 33 already waiting. I'm sure some of us saving our battery. No stress at all. Alright. So, here it is. How bullish is this? I cannot even believe it. And we see why BTC pumping. We see why ETH pumped 7%. And this is it. Alright, so let me know in the chat. Is there any FA? Does anybody know right now any FA on this ETF filing for ETH? Who is it? Which people have filed? Is it bullish? Is it bearish? Alright, let me have another sip. Alright, so 62 likes on Facebook. Very nice. Thank you very much to the Facebookers. And I see, sure, close to 100 live across the platforms. Let's quickly check here. 67 likes. I know there are more of us live than 67. Please do drop us a like. Will Smith that like button. Let's push the algorithm. Thank you so much, everybody, for being here. Okay. Let's go into the fundamentals. Sure, I could just watch this Degen trade on the lower time frames. But let's go. Right now, if anything, we'll make about $2. And we could be a bit cheeky there and just make a little bit more. Remember, stop loss should always be below previous swing low. So it should still be here. But because now we're in profit, we're going to be a little bit cheeky. And it looks like we're actually creating a swing low here. So we're just going to put it right there. Just going to drop it right there. And we can always easily see at our stop. Now our risk is gone. The least we can make is $3.5. The most we can lose is to make $3.5. And this is how we do it. And you know what, for the sake of being degens with a win rate, this could be absolutely juicy. And if it was a bigger position size, I might close some of the trade. Actually, let's do that. So let me show you how easy it is. Market, 75%. Or let's say, yeah, we'll take 50% off the table. Boom, $25. Ba-ba-bam, bam. That was loud in my ears. Off the table. So now we see realized P&L. At least we're in a position of power. Win rate, brilliant. And now we see only $25 left in the trade at a 15% profit of $3.5. And yeah, we can see how copy trading has also made me a little bit more of a conservative trader. No one ever went for it taking profits. And thank you again, Wendy. Thank you, Hodlfire. If you're sleeping on this indicator, it is no fault but your own. Gibson, my brother. Boom, boom, boom. This is how we do it. The sound is amazing. Yo, wubba-bam, bam. Did anybody else hear that? Alright, extraordinary bullish. Love it. ETFs are extraordinarily bullish. Bam, bam. Profits, bam, bam. So bam, bam can either be the sound of profits being taken or liquidations being hit or stop losses being hit, and do not let it be those. Rather, let it be your profits. And this is just a testament. This is just a testament to Hodlfire, because actually, if anything, BTC just dumped. But machine learning knows something that we don't know. AI knew there was 12% pump coming. So thank you AI. Sometimes you absolutely rock. And here we go, our actual P&Ls is growing. Alright, cool. So let's do the FA. Let's take it nice and slow. And I see basically most of you are on the right page. Alright, BlackRock has gone and filed. What is happening here? We've got more stop losses going off. So there we go. There's our FET trade in a realized P&L. So there we go. $1 plus our 2.7, just over $3 Degen mode. And you know what? $3. Oh, it looks like this is going to be a juicy trade. And we had a nice entry. But we compound, we move, we compound and we move. And you know what? A Degen win, as I say, is better than a Degen loss. Alright, so let's take it slow here. BlackRock, the world's largest asset manager, has now moved on to list an ETF that will hold Ethereum. Many of you have heard me say that I believe that if not Solana, Avalanche, you know, the Ethereum killers, if not that, Ethereum may very well outperform Bitcoin in the next bull run. I don't mean reach higher prices, I mean see higher percentage gains if we see an altcoin season. And wow, yes, it lags. Remember, ETH will lag. ETH is second behind Bitcoin. Anything that Bitcoin does, ETH will lag. First, we need to see Bitcoin pump like it has. Then we actually need to see Bitcoin price continually coming up, while altcoin dominance also coming up. Then we will see ETH absolutely explode. And all the timing is looking so nice. If we look here, where is it? Okay, so let me not jump ahead. Let me read this. The first thing to remember is that a BlackRock spot Ether ETF is months away at the earliest. And there is no guarantee that it will ever list. The SEC has up to 240 days to decide whether or not to approve the product. So that's it. They're on the time clock now for ETH. And we see Gensler looking a little bit not so happy, struggling a little bit. And sorry about that, Mr. Gensler. Let's see if we can update our P&L. There we go. And we see here, Gary Gensler must now decide what to do about multiple applications for BTC and ETH ETFs. And this could be bullish or bearish. Domino effect, and we have to wait and see basically how this plays out. Fidelity became the latest giant financial firm to seek to create an Ether ETF. Wow, so now we have BlackRock and Fidelity filing for ETH ETFs. So not even Bitcoin anymore. They're so certain now that their BTC ETFs will be approved that they have now started filing for ETH. And then of course, it will be XRP, it will be Solana, it will be Avalanche, it will be Litecoin. And yeah, that could just be bull market pump catalyst after catalyst. And like I've said many times before, I would love to see a Black Swan event. So keep your eyes out. A world war or anything like that could break out. Extreme inflation could cause capitulation. We could see, I'll say it again, we could see prices that will blow our minds to the downside as well as the upside. And this is the market we're in. We could see 10K, then we could see 100K. And that sounds, yeah, a little bit mind-blowing. But if you buy the 10K and you hit 100K, that's 10x. And that's how the whales think. Alright, so let's move. Just be aware here. They say BlackRock may be working. They did. They filed the Delaware papers. And ETH pumped 7% instantly following the news. Imagine if it gets approved. Oh, it could just be catalyst after catalyst. Alright, so right now, let me know, is there any other FA from the crew? Y'all know I'm more into the TA, so I'll leave it to you. FA from the crew on the ETH ETF. Anyone, anything to add? It is super hot here in SA. So excuse me drinking during the stream. Oh, Crypto Fest was just absolutely amazing. So if you were at Crypto Fest, pop a what's up, pop a shout out into the group. It was huge leaps and bounds for Bybit South Africa and awesome to meet. I mean, so many VIPs, so many amazing people. Alright, when will the Kahoot start? We are imminent for the Kahoot. A few minutes and we'll be hitting our Kahoot. I see 34. I'll let you know when you have 3 minutes to hop in. And please do smash the likes for us if you're watching and enjoying. I see 72. Please do smash the likes for us on whatever platform. If you're on Twitter, pop us a retweet. If you're on Facebook, pop us a like and a comment. And of course, YouTubers, don't be shy. ETH 20k after 3 years. Boom. Alright, I think let's move. We've looked at BTC. We haven't looked at market charts, so we'll do a quick outlook on the market charts. BTC is still dumping on this 4-hour time frame. Let's quickly look at BTC dominance. Maybe reaching a little bit of a line for a turnaround, but actually maybe a little bit more pump here on BTCD. Very interesting. USDT dominance. Of course, we'll see a little bit of a reverse scenario. And possibly looking for a little bit of a turnaround here on USDT dominance. So maybe a case for the Bitcoin bears. If we look at total market cap. Wow, exiting our liquidity zone. So total market cap looking kind of bullish. But just remember, watch the retest of the top of the zone. Just watch if we enter back into this momentum zone for total. Let's see total 3. This is the market cap of all altcoins excluding BTC and Ethereum. If we zoom out to the daily time frame. Sure, so alts just being squeezed. Absolutely squeezed. And yeah, anyone's guess here. What's going to happen to alts, if anything? We'll probably see, as most of us know, some kind of playing with our emotions and the same lines being held. But keep your eyes on altcoin market cap. Let's see ETH against BTC dominance. We see ETH coming down. There's the support line. Now currently looking like maybe just giving us one of these little fakey areas below. Oof. And remember, ETH also shows us general altcoin dominance. ETH against BTC. Alright, what's happening with Gala? Pumpy, what's happening with Sui, pumping, Matic. Matic's a little bit down. That looks like it could be a golden pocket. Not quite, but there's the golden pocket on Matic. Keep your eyes out. Atom. Solana, the beast. Yeah, just be careful what you do here on Solana. Avalanche. Go Avalanche! One of my heavy DCAs. Loving the smile curve. Absolutely beautiful. Loving it. There we go. Golden pocket. Confirmation. Confirmed divs. BTC 1 hour. We've just got a little bit of an alert. Let's go. I think it is an older alert, but look at that bearish divergence playing out so nicely. We saw literally, if we just bring out our regular RSI relative strength index on the 1 hour time frame with BTC, and we just see here, it doesn't matter if we're not in the trade. Doesn't matter if we're not in the trade. This is how we learn to trade. Look here, we saw price going up while our indicator was going down. Alright, there we go. Where are my trades? Where are my trades? I heard a take profit or a stop going off. Woo! It was the Unfi. Oh no. Juicy, look at that. So I'm not sure what just went off, probably the beam. the beam short take profit. But there we have. Boom, the N5 400%. That's what we like to see. So what's happening here? Look at this. We have a $20 profit on a $5 margin. We've already realized $50. So you know what? We bring our TP. We don't get too greedy. And look how this is about to dump right into our take profit. But you know what? I'm just going to close it. We don't sleep when profits are on the table. And there we go. Now we're off the charts. I'm ready to open trades on the copy trading. So right now, before we close off, any holistic trades for me. And there we go. Our level. Look at our level to the dollar. And this is why I love sitting on the sidelines, because this is how we learn. If anything, it would be nice to be in a paper trade, right? From our levels on the bearish divergence. Because here it was. There's where we saw the bearish divergence happen. I know my video is off. Let me see if I... Oh, there's my video. So there's the trade. But just remember, retrospect. It's all good. 2% dump. Very nice. In retrospect is where we learn. Okay, so right now in the chat, any holistic trades that I can open after the session on copy trading. FitFi. SEI. KNC. Wow. MDT. So many. Alright, Anthony, KNC short, KNC USDT.P, and you can also drop it in the Bybit Discord. Open up the Discord. What was that? KNC short from Anthony. On the 1 hour. On the 1 hour, confused. Remember, but if you're being Degen, let's see, 5 minutes. Not looking short to me. Just be a little bit patient for this one. Or maybe you're not being Degen. Let's look at the daily. Nope, not really. I'm going to be a bit patient there. What's that? Lokuman. Let's see. GMT. And hold tight. We are imminent for Kahoot. What is this? GMT? Is it a short or a long? Remember to include short or long. And it looks like it's dumping now. On the daily, let's go to the 4 hour. Maybe gonna have a little bit of a pull up. 1 hour probably looking like it needs to pump a bit. Alright, so that 45 minutes looking like it wants to give a little bit of a pump. Let's look at Filecoin from Dylan. I remember Dylan dropped Filecoin. I also have a few that I'm eyeing. Rune. Rune is a beast, so be careful. Be careful with Rune. Remember, Rune is up 300% over the last 90 days. Filecoin, 45 minute time frame. What was the Filecoin, Dylan? Is it a long? This looks like a long, right? 12-minute bullish divergence on Filecoin. Let's bring up the hodl fire, giving us a long. Laurentian, not giving us anything quite yet. 5 minutes. Machine learning, let's see what we're saying. This could be quite juicy actually on the long here for the file. Very nice, Dylan. Alright, so let's quickly check out the higher time frames on Filecoin here. Is it actually oversold? Not really on the 1 hour. Still a little bit degen for my holistic trading liking. So no stress, back to the drawing board. Any other holistic trades? Caught a nice long on Rune. Awesome stuff. Alright, so I can take away my P&L share. OP short 4 hour. Definitely a long. Interesting. Bloomberg ETF analysts reaffirm their 90% approval odds for spot Bitcoin ETFs by January 10th. Oh! Not bad. Mina, OP, FTM. FTM long. Alright, we'll look at one more. And remember, don't sleep on your stochastic. So I see here, Amadouche, very nice. I see your stochastic is looking pumpy here on FTM. But just remember, on the daily or regular RSI, yeah, it's in the middle. You're also seeing a little bit of a bearish divergence here. So be careful on the FTM long on the daily. And if anything, what you can do is you can just hold the daily time frame and run through your altcoins. Let's look here, Ajax, and just look for oversold. I'm streaming to so many platforms right now, so give my computer some time. Ajax, Core. And this is how we screen, this is how we snipe. Of course, we can just use Bybit's Huddle Fire, but look at Core. Look at Core. Dwarfing down at the bottom. Is there any FA here for Core? This could be a juicy long. Alright, so any more holistic trades? Otherwise, I will continue my holistic trading and drop them in the communities. Pyth USDT long. And you know what? If there's nothing on the charts, we don't trade. SCI, short from SWAS. Look at this, not much action. But look at Pyth moving here. So this is a fun one to be a Degen. And we can see a kind of level here. Maybe even a flippening of support into resistance. So if we want to go long here on Pyth, we'd look for the 15-minute rhyming. Remember, this is relative strength index rhyming with stochastic relative strength index. Nice one, Pyth manual, nice one on the 15-minute. So I don't know about the daily. We don't have much info here. It's a little bit dodgy. So what we're going to do is I'm not going to open it on copy trading. I'm not going to risk my followers' cash. But we see that it is down 8% over 24 hours. We see that it is oversold on the 5-minute. On both the regular and stochastic. We also see 15-minute showing us a rhyme in the same way. 30-minute. Let's go. 1 hour, almost there. So anyway, let's see, manual, if you've got what it takes. We're going to order. We're going to go light on this one. A paper trade for me, $10. We're going to keep our leverage. We can go all the way to 50 on Pyth. We're going to keep it at a 10 because we're seeing big moves here on small time frames, 100% in 2 days. So actually, even this leverage is a little bit high. But let's have some fun here. This is the Pyth long. Remember, check your mode, hedge mode, beautiful. Check your margin mode, cross. Check your leverage, 10x. Make sure you have a take profit and a stop loss in place initially. You can always change it later. Confirm, make sure you're in the right direction. It tells you exactly where your triggers are. And we can see here, in terms of a horizontal level, we could see slightly. We can see where our stop needs to be. Here is the actual entry of the coin being listed. Alright, so let's go. $10 ordering by cost on across 10x. Open the long. Bam, bam. And we see exactly where our stop loss is. We can bring it a little bit lower. And yeah, take profit is there. So we're in the trade. Always check what you're risking. On our $10, we're risking $4. And we literally just made about $4. So it's no problem. Alright, thank you, Manuel. I hope you filled out the form. We'll see how the Pyth long goes. And it's time, people. Everybody, it's time. I do believe we are over time and ready to smash it. So now is your last chance. Bam, bam. MDTY, you sure about that? Take a look at short-term buy on MDT. I will do. Let me take a note of that. We've got MNT. We've got MINA. We've got MDT. Blur short. Oh, I wish I could just live trade for hours and hours and hours. Sometime we're going to trade a full session. We're going to trade a New York or an Asia open and trade the full session open to close. Which will be about 8 hours. And we'll do it live. How fun will that be? Imagine how many views we'll rack up. Alright, now is the time. I see 50. I see we're pushing for 100 live across all the platforms. I see 80 likes on Facebook. Thank you very much, everybody. Let's see our likes here on YouTube. Beautiful. If you have not Will Smithed the like button for us yet, now's the time. Jordy, someone with my name. Shout out. Some people call me Jordy. No, I do not like to be a lone wolf. I do not like to be a lone wolf. If anyone would like to hop on these streams with me, let me know. But yes, we are nailing it. As a crew, we are nailing it. Alright, so please do hop on and follow my trades. I'm going bit by bit by bit. Very low risk. We're going to compound. And we're going to take $500 to $10,000. Who believes? I believe. We're going to do it all as a community. Alright, Kahoot is imminent. Battery low. Timeline. How do I follow you on copy trading? Right here. So let's go. Let's see. 16. Thank you to the new followers. 18. So let me know if you followed me during the stream. Let me know if you followed me during the stream. Because we moved from, what was it, 14. So there's been 4 during the stream. Thank you, everybody. Lovely to see. What is the keyword? It is Degens. D-E-G-E-N-Z. Nice session. Thank you. Swas. What a legend. We're all legends here. Whammy, we're gonna make it together. Trading as a community, you're much less likely to get wrecked. Thanks for the session, Farouk. Alright, peeps, we are imminent. I see only 51 in the Kahoot. We are now imminent. I'm gonna say 1 minute. I see 54. I know we usually push for about 100 on these. So let's go, let's go, let's go. Let me see if I can save some bandwidth here, make things a little less laggy. Let's close up some of these tabs. 79 likes, thank you everybody. Let's push that for 100, let's go. Firing on all cylinders. Yes please, the code is Degens. Thank you very much, Abhishek. The code is to follow. Yeah, let's do it. First, 1 second. Oh, my nose is itching, but at least I got a fan on my face now. Now let me show you. I slept way too long before I got one of these bad boys. Battery operated fan. And yeah, I'm getting used to it tickling my hairs. But what an investment. It cost me, let's see, it was on special, so in dollars. It literally cost me about $10. Very worthy investment. But that's why you see me scratching my ticklish hairs. Alright, 1 second time frame. It is a little bit scary. But you know what? Ask Blaze. That's his home. That's where he lives. Alright, let's go. I'll even close up here. What is this? Our Pyth. Let's go, Pyth. Our one open trade. Alright, let's see. 59. Let me know in the chat. Are we ready? I think it's time to go. I think it's time to move. We have already been streaming for going on 90 minutes. I will drop the link one more time. Boom. And remember, there are questions coming right from this link, as well as everything we've talked about today. Are we ready? I'm going to have one more sip of my drink and we are imminent. I see 61 live. Try stay in both the live stream and the Kahoot, as you might miss something vital. Alright, we're about to move. Let me know. Is everybody ready? Is everybody ready? Is anyone needing more time? 62, 62, is that all? Alright, let's go. Let me catch my breath. No time. But if no one is needing more time, we will go. Let me know if you need more time. Crypto Cloud, born ready! That's how I feel every day. Be fast. 25 people will win 40 USDT. Alright, so no one's struggling, so we're about to move. We're about to move if no one's struggling. Let's go. Alright, there we go. Trades by Real. Legend. Yusuf, welcome. I see some still hopping on. So I'm going to give 1 minute. I'm going to give 1 minute. Here's the link last time. Let's see if we can push. I'm also going to quickly drop it in the Bybit communities. I know we can push. 1 second. Dropping in the communities. Alright. I see 66 now. Alright, 1 minute and 68. Looking good. Let's go. Ready. Alright. We're moving. I hope everyone's ready. Let's go. Let's hope I made no mistakes this time. True or false? You have to register for our campaign at the blog post link to be eligible for Art of Trading rewards. I believe we all know this. Starting it off easy. 50, 60 answers in 13 seconds left. $70 answers in. Oh, 2 of you not understanding. Of course, you need to register for the campaign. We will then be able to track your volume, and you'll also be eligible for some rewards. Let's move. Thank you very much. Alright, Crypto Mana topping off the leaderboard. Then we have Joe Dyer, Sizuman, K Bless, and Driller. I love to see my homies in the crew in the building. Well done, boys and girls. And yep, Jess is now on the moderation team. So there's one extra spot on the leaderboard. I see Crypto Mana seems to be taking it. Let's go. Question 2. According to our blog post announcement, how many Kahoot winners will receive 40 USDT bonus each? Very nice. There will be 5 winners of the Kahoots walking away with $40. Alright, now that we've established the initial leaderboard, let's get juicy. Artem Mall, I do not know who you are. If you're new, let us know who you are, Artem Mall. Driller, no surprise. Pass Haas, representing the Bybit Global crew. Okay, bless. I couldn't be more proud. And Crypto Mana, congratulations. 15 places up is Mahanla. Let's move. Airtamol is Eric Fisher. What's up, buddy? Alright, BlackRock and Fidelity have filed applications for ETH ETFs. True or false? 68 answers in, 10 seconds left. Very nice. Very nice. It is indeed true. I see most of us doing well. Oh, Crypto Mana being annihilated. Halo Swift just sliding into the top position. And no surprise, Gibson. Oh, what's up, buddy? Gibson, the great guy. Mr. Capeless Driller. And Kodak sliding in for more wins. Evans GG is hoping to make this a GG. Let's see, let's see, let's see. How many days does the SEC have to respond to the applications? "73 answers in." I was not expecting so much of a spread there. Indeed, it is not 240 years. I see some of us are guessing. But no stress. It is only 240 days. So that's the max. So under a year. And we will know if it's being approved or not. This is not guaranteed. Of course, it will be bearish if it is not approved. Alright, I love to see things getting spiced up. Let me know if anybody's struggling for signal. But I'm loving it. Kodak, Gibson, Triller, Zyder, and trades by real. Look at that smile. Smiley panda. Alright, tough round. 27 players lost their answer streak. I know some of us running out of battery. What does ETF stand for? I am drilling this into your heads. Example traded funds. Expert traded funds. Exchange traded funds. Or empty traded funds. Three seconds left. 72 players getting their answers in. Very nice. Exactly. Well done. Exchange traded funds. Not much. Just Zyder taking that second place. Gibson looking a bit sad. Don't worry, buddy. You're still on the top 5. Let's see who's going to take the gold. I just can't guess who's going to take the gold. Kodak looks like he's gunning. I know Trades is gunning for that last push. Alright, let's go. We're on question 6. What does VALOR stand for? What does VALOR stand for? One of my most used indicators shows us the VALOR. Loving it, Vivtora. Vivtora, let us know where you are from. Alright, 3 seconds left. 67 answers in. Do not give up. Well done, well done, well done. Value area low of the range. Hey, it's our crew just swapping around. Swapping places at the table. Trades. What did I tell you? Slowly creeping up to first. And you know what? This is smashing buttons on an annihilation kind of level. Some, I'm sure, even using a controller. Alright, Zyder, Trades by Real, Kodak, Driller, and Gibson. Up 11 places is Harday Sheena. Question 7. Hey, what does FRVP stand for? The fizzed range volume profile, the fixed range valence profile, the fixed root volume profile, or the fixed range volume profile. 10 seconds left. Smash your answers in. Oh, I'm impressed. Well done. This actually makes me just so proud as an educator. This is me seeing 100x ROI in profits. Well done, everybody. Makes my heart proud. And this is just weird. Look at that. 17 players hit an answer streak of 3. Basically meaning that everyone is doing well, but some are just outperforming. Zyder taking the top. I had some strange feeling that these two, remember at the beginning of the stream I said these two were coming for the gold. And Kodak, you've got your work cut out for you. Gibson, Driller, looking a bit sad at the bottom. Don't worry, buddy. Alright guys, we're almost through it. Guys and girls, question 8. What does stock RSI stand for? Stochastic Relative Strength Index, Stochastic Relative Strength Index, Stochastic Relative Stop Index, or Stochastic Relative Strength Index. 7 seconds left, 59 answers in. It's getting spicy. Alright. No one really falling. 8 of you falling for my Stochastic, 7 for my Stochastic, and 6 for my Stop Index. Remember, stop loss is up to you. Use a stop loss and don't get wrecked. Zyder trades Driller, Gibson, and James. Interesting stuff. I like to see a bit of a mix-up. Sorry about that. Some annihilation happening. But James, what's up? Our resident troller, always making things interesting for us. I don't say troller in a bad way. I mean troller in a term of endearment. James always keeps it interesting in our communities. Question 9. What is the new minimum amount to copy my holistic trades? Four seconds left, 59 answers in. Smash the buttons. Very nice, very nice. 45 getting it correct. It is now at $50. So I'm going to be even more conservative now that it's a little bit less. But we're going to smash it. We're going to smash it. You don't have to. You can start at 100. Alright. No change. It seems you all knew that. It's pretty much possible for ETH to outperform BTC. I think so too. It is possible. Maybe even probable. Who knows? Okay, Zyder. Well played. Trades, Driller, Gibson, and James. Final question. The final countdown. What is the Discord? I'll drop the Discord quickly. This is the Discord link for live trading. And that is also where I will be hopping on for some long live trading sessions. Final question. When is the next Bybit Art of Trading live stream? 17 seconds left, 30 answers in already. December 12th, 13th, 14th, or 15th. This is on the blog. Very nice, well done. It seems I also got 10 out of 10 creating the Kahoot. December 13th. Final leaderboard. Let's see. Driller taking home third. Well done, buddy. We have Trades by Real in second. And Mr. Valentine himself. Mr. Zyder Valentine. As well as Gibson and James. Not too much change right there. Thank you so much, everybody. Do not get disheartened. There are a lot of people in our Kahoot, 70 people, and it is tough out here. Please do send me your UID if you are part of the top 3. And let me just say congratulations. That has not been easy. That has not been easy. I will also look at the top 10 for my own enjoyment and the top 50. But let's see what's happening here. So we looked at our Degen trade. We took our Degen trade. And we took Degen profits. Now we're in this little bit of a pyth. Kind of holistic. It is on the 1 hour time frame, so not on copy trading. But let's let this play out. Low risk, small position size, in a 10% profit. And let's wrap it up. Thank you everybody for being here. So close to winning. You really were. Alright, alright, alright. Zyder is back. It is top 5. Congrats, congrats, congrats. Nothing for 6th at the moment. We'll push for it for the next run of streams. Alright, remember everybody. First of all, a huge thank you from myself for being here. For all of those who have dropped us likes. Let's try push it for the 100. If you have not yet dropped us a like, please do. And those who have copied me, absolute legends. Let me have a look. 19. Oh, you make me smile. And you know what? This just makes me so much more motivated. This makes me so much more motivated just to grow your accounts little by little. You know me, I like DCA bots. It's the same with my trading. Of course, I like to entertain some Degen. Congrats, congrats. But when it comes to this trading, I mean, look at this. Let's just take a look here. Average P&L per trade, 25 cents. We keep it light. And my follower P&L, more than my P&L. This is how I want it. Because if I just make a little bit of profit, all of my followers make profit. Now let's see who my new followers are. Ben Zoo himself, I do believe. No, let me know who Ben is. Let me know who Ma is. And Mr. Please do send me. And Gun, send me DMs. Alright, thank you everybody. Remember, always do play from a position of power and strength. Use a stop loss and do not get wrecked. I will see you all in the communities. I will see you right here again, 13 December, for Art of Live Trading. Let us know if you had a good time. I know I did. Alright. Thank you everybody. Have a wonderful day further. And goodbye.